Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I am going to tell you about why I like my Pixel 3a phone and why I would recommend it as a really decent budget phone. I've had this phone for more than 6 months now and I'm really happy with it. So, after 6 months, the fingerprint sensor is still highly responsive and the touchscreen is still working really well even with the screen protector on, and it's generally still as fast as the day I bought it. One of the best things about this phone is that it has a top-of-the-range camera. Every time I take a photo, people comment on how clear it is. Next, the memory on this phone doesn't run out quickly. This is because the Pixel 3a has 64 gigabytes of storage. This not only means I can take a lot of pictures and keep them on the phone, but I can also download all my social media, banking and entertainment apps without being told I need to free up space. Another great thing about this phone is that it comes with a USB adapter, which allows me to transfer my files, including my pictures, directly to an external USB stick without having to turn on my laptop. The Pixel 3a also comes with a USB-C port and a rapid charger, which can fully charge my phone in less than 1 hour 15 minutes, which is perfect for quick charging during the day. The battery also lasts more than 1 day, assuming average usage of 3 to 5 hours a day. As you can see, I've already used 11 hours and I have 19 hours to go. This is great for being out and about and overnight stays. This phone also has the latest Android 10 version and is regularly updated with the latest security updates. Also, according to Google, this phone will continue to get new Android versions as well as security updates until May 2022, so I will also get Android 11 and 12 before I need to buy a new phone. Finally, I can use this phone for contactless payments as it supports NFC, which is great if I forget my purse when I'm out. All in all, I would really recommend the Pixel 3a if you want a decent quality phone with some of the specs of a high-end one, such as the exceptional camera, without paying extortionate prices. You can watch the playlist that will appear at the end of this video for 50 tips and tricks for the Pixel 3a phone.